welcome to the Twinkl Home Ed Academy. This short video is here in order just to explain what the Academy is and why you guys should invest some time into following the modules that we have coming up. So the Twinkl Home Ed Academy is a one-stop shop for helping you get the most out of your membership at Twinkl. We're going to be holding your hands with a series of virtual training videos in order that you can get to grips with all aspects of your Twinkl membership. We're going to be covering everything from signing up for the weekly email all the way through to how to use Planet effectively in your home ed journey, and absolutely everything in between, so that by the time you finish the course you will be an absolute expert in everything that Twinkl has to offer you and your family. There'll be opportunities for you to pause and reflect on what you've learnt. There'll be some voluntary activities and quizzes for you to do along the way in order for you to test your newfound knowledge and go and head out into the Twinkl website and plan and work things out for yourself. These will be shared on Google Forms so that all of your reflections and everything that you've learnt can be then sent to you into your inbox to create your own set of notes that you can come back to at any time. Of course, if you don't want to do that, a good old-fashioned pencil and pad will do just as well. So, without further ado, let's get started.